Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Today I'm here at our showroom area and it is National Safety Month, the month of June. So when we talk about the products that WireCrafters has for safety, one of the biggest ones we have is our RackBack panels. So these panels are bolted to the back of pallet rack and it's very simple. We don't want things falling off into an active aisleway and hitting people. We've talked about this many times before. So panels on the back of the rack keep things from falling off. Now we've got a few other products here in our showroom that talk about safety also. Right here in front of us is our machine guard product. And with the machine guard, this is going around automated equipment, this is going around robotic work cells. So we've got the black mesh, we got the yellow post, it screams safety. We do a lot of different safety interlock systems on the doors. It's all about the lockout, tag out, open the door, the machine shuts down, that type of thing. So machine guard's a very big product for us. And let's just walk back around here and we'll take a look at our Aerosol Storage Cage. So the Aerosol Storage Cage, anytime you're storing any type of aerosol cans, whether it's paint cans or beauty care cans, whatever it might be, there's a regulation by the fire marshal that it's got to be a heavier 9-gauge wire. We go a little heavier, we go to 8-gauge with a tighter mesh, 1.5 inch square. The panels have to go right flush to the floor and the doors have to be self-closing, whether it's a slide door or a hinge door. You don't want these cans turning into missiles if there's a fire. So you have to have the door self-closing. So that's some of the items we sell just for safety with the WireCrafter product. RackBack, machine guard, aerosol storage, and there's other applications, but those are probably the big three. That's what we got this week for National Safety Month. See you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.